Hi guys, and I'm joining you today for our carnival craft assignment. And I'm sure most of us are having a little carnival to bank on this year, but I'm here to say this shouldn't stop you from learning about what is carnival, especially for Trinidad and Tobago. If you'd like to know more about carnival, please check your description box or head to my YouTube page where you could find a video. The video is a short representation of what carnival is in Trinidad. And as always, find me on all my social platforms. So let's begin what we need to create our very own carnival craft. 1 pair of scissors, glitter of course it's carnival, glue, 1 pencil and some scraps of colorful paper. Also guys, further on I decided to use some clear tape to secure my work. After you observed the video, I'm pretty sure you saw one thing that most people had in common. And most masqueraders, who are people who play masks, they wear headbands. So for our craft today, we are creating our very own carnival headband. First start off by cutting a tiara shape. If you're going to wear it, I suggest you ask your parents or guardian to just measure your head width. That way it will fit secure onto your head. While watching the video, I'm sure you'll notice one thing in common. Most of the headbands had a lot of feathers. If you're like me and you don't have vibrant colored feathers, I decided to take some hardstock paper, or you could use regular paper, cut it into a knife shape, just like so. Then you're going to cut it very thinly in a downward position. This is going to help you to get that flare out effect. Decided to stick some white paper onto some bright colored paper to give me a 2D effect. There you go, and you have created your very own feather. Congrats! Now it's our favorite part, getting creative. I decided to use scraps of paper to design out my headband. Feel free to use glitter, paper, gems, or stickers. Anything possible that you can find. But I had on hand was scraps of paper, and that's what I decided to use. If you decided to use the feather technique, just remember I said earlier on to get some clear tape, and this helps secure your feathers better than the glue. Next, shell down the place with some glitter. I decided to use various colors to get an iridescent effect. Hi kiddies, glitter is a very messy thing, so make sure you take your time when doing this part. Empty out the extra glitter in the bin if it's necessary, so it wouldn't get on your parents' floor. Next, our photo shoot. So Auntie Michaela headband sadly couldn't fit her, so she got a little creative and stuck it onto something. I hope you guys enjoyed today's activity, and please like, share and subscribe, and remember to check the description box if you would like to have a carnival video.